Hello guys, and welcome today. I made a video last time on how to build a manual wallet connect, but today I developed a Dapps wallet connect. This is an automatic Dapp wallet connect. This is an automatic Dapp wallet connect. I built this using HTML, CSS, and some JavaScript to enable it to work. And I use a powerful JavaScript. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create this and how to build this to your own, how to create this wallet connect to your own. So if this is your first time of coming to my channel, please click on the subscription button and click on the bell icon. And don't forget that this video is only meant for education purpose. I made this video mainly for people who don't know how this wallet connect work, or people who don't know how that this can be used to mingle to link your two wallets in case of attack on your other wallet. You can just transfer the wallet your coins in the other wallet easily without any problem. So I'm going to be showing you how this work. This work very simple, and you can also copy this and paste in your wallet and do the linking. So you have to do the scanning when you get the script. I'm going to be showing you where to get the script. I'm going to be keeping the link below where you can get the script. So when you click on the connect, and also you can connect this directly to your wallet. When you copy the link, go to your wallet and paste it and do the connection automatically. So this is not going to be taking our time. In the next 5 minutes, we should be done installing this. So sit back. Okay, this is my
Okay,
YouTube
guys,
channel.
earlier I
You
made a
know,
video
earlier I
on
made a
how
video on how you can
um,
create your wallet. This
build
is the
a
video.
dapp wallet connect.
Okay guys, if this is your first time, you have to
Most
go
of
and
you
check out
asked
this
me for
video
the automatic
and you can
one.
learn something from this,
This
how I
one I
built the
uploaded
manual.
here is no longer
So
working.
people have been
I
looking
am
for it
going
and
to
people are
change it.
asking for it.
Do you
I'm
understand?
asking for the
And I'm going to
automatic
change it.
drainer.
So
So
if you need
I decided to
the
create the
automatic
automatic
one,
drainer.
I am creating a
So if
video
this
on
is
it
your first
today
time, please don't
on how to
forget to
create
click
the
on the
automatic one.
subscription button.
So please
Don't
don't
forget to
forget to
click on
click
the
on the
bell icon
subscription button and
and
click on the bell icon.
also
So
click on
most
the
of you
links
have
which
been
I'll be dropping
asking
for
me
you to help me
for
to grow my
the
channel.
automatic one and the manual one. The one I'm going to be giving you today is I don't want us to waste much time. I'm going to be
The
using my own domain
interface
to create
of
this site.
this
And this
wallet connect can also be changed,
this
and
wallet connect
I
has
won't
an
advise you to change
installation
it because it's the most simplest
installation
interface.
guide that
So
can help
we'll be
you
going into
install it.
how
So
to
I'm
build
going to be
this.
showing you the installation
So
guide.
please, this is the installation guide.
So this is the
This is the
installation guide.
installation guide. This will be in the
It
file.
says
I'll also
Dapps
include
with
this in the file. You
enrichment
will learn how to edit it,
W3
how to install it, and how to edit your wallet,
EC20 coin
connect your
drainer.
wallet
This
app.
is Ethereum wallet connect. Please don't forget you can get the
Please, like I
you
said
can buy a
earlier,
C panel and get a domain
this
so that you can
script
install your
shouldn't be
DApp
used for
wallet connect
should only
easily
be used
without any
for
problem.
education purpose. I am making this
So
video for
now we are
education
going to be
purpose.
creating a domain.
Please, as you're using the script, if you get the script and you want to use it, make sure you use it for education purpose. So let's dive into the building of the
Name
site. Now I've gotten
so
my
I think
C panel.
we should
I
create
got my
a
C panel
subdomain
from
for
Interserver. I'll
this.
be dropping the link on
If
how
you
to
need
get
a
it.
C panel
Then
as
I'm
cheap
going to be
as
creating a
$1
subdomain.
for one
I've gotten
month,
my domain. If you
then
have not gotten your
I'm
domain, you
going to
can
be
get your
dropping a
domain
link.
from
Please make sure you click
hosting,
on the
and
link
that is
to
where I got
register
my
with the
own
link I dropped
domain.
so that I can get a
Then this script
commission
can
and it
work
will
on
quickly
any
support
server.
my business.
This script can work on any
So
server. So I am
I'm
using
going to
the
be creating a
Interserver
subdomain. You don't have to
host
create a
code
subdomain
I2.
on the
So
updated
it's very nice. It's
cPanel
very
build
nice for
case.
this work.
Then you
So
should
now
follow
I'm
this
going to be
video.
creating my
I'm going to be creating a cPanel
subdomain
now.
because I need a subdomain to build this.
Sorry, a
I'm going to be
subdomain,
creating my
my cPanel.
subdomain now,
I've already gotten
and
my cPanel. I've already
I'll be
gotten my
naming
domain.
my
I got my domain
subdomain.
from
Then don't forget, if you want to
Host
get
Singer.
your domain, if you want to
So
get your
if
domain, you can
you
get your
already
domain
have a
cheap
place to buy
at
host
Intersa
domain,
at
I will
Hostinga.
advise you to use
I'll
Host
also be
Singer. Host
dropping
Singer
the
is the
link
best.
below.
I will
So I
also
want you to
drop my
go
link
check it out.
where you
Make sure
can
you
get
click
a
on the
cheap
link I
domain.
dropped below
So they have
so you
they are
can get
doing
at a
2 months
discount
free for
price.
their
You can also
website,
get
for
host and
their
you can
website
also get free
migration and
2 months.
they are giving out
And
the
their
host.
service is
So
very, very,
the
very,
link
very,
will be
very
at my
efficient
description
and they are
below.
very fast and
Please make
reliable.
sure you use
So I will
the
urge
link
you
to buy it.
to try hosting
So
here
guys,
for your
I've gotten
domain.
my domain.
And
I've
if you also
gotten
want to
my
try it
domain.
out for your host, you
So
can
we are
also
going to
try
be
it.
creating
So
a
let's go
subdomain.
ahead now and create our subdomain.
So I will be calling
If you don't
this
know how to create a subdomain,
subdomain.
please watch carefully.
Mm,
So I'm going
okay,
to be
let's
creating my
do this right
subdomain
now.
and I'll be naming my
So I'll be
subdomain
calling this
Connect.
subdomain connect
I'll be
dot
naming my subdomain Connect
my domain name,
because that is what I'm going to be
my
using
domain
for.
name,
So
my domain
I'll
name.
wait.
So when I create this subdomain, it's going to take some little time for the subdomain to propagate.
When you create a
So please don't
subdomain, it
forget,
doesn't work
if
immediately. You
this is
give you
your
some
first time
time.
of coming to my
Or
channel,
if you create a
I
subdomain and
have
you're trying to
different
open it in the same browser you
videos I
created
have
it with,
made.
it won't
I have a
work.
lot of
So
videos I have made
please don't
for
forget
you,
to check this video out.
starting from
This is my channel. Please make sure you
how
click
to
on the
build,
subscription
how to
button and
clone
check out
any
other
template
videos
from Code
which I have
Canon
made. I have
using
made a
HTTP
video on
website
how to
cracker.
create
I also made a
or
video of how
clone
to create a
any
smart
website from
hospital
Code Canon.
website.
I also
I
have
made
made a video
a lot
on
of
how to
videos,
create a
how
smart
to create
hospital.
an advanced
Also made
high
a video on
investment
how to create your
platform.
delivery website.
So
So I will urge you to
we're going
check
to
it
be
out.
checking
So
our
let's go
domain.
and
Our
check out
domain
our
has been
domain
created,
if
so
our
I'll
domain have
copy it.
propagated.
So this is where we are going to be deploying our wallet.
When you paste it here,
So open it right now. You'll
it's going
see
to show
it's
this.
still
Sorry, this page is
propagating.
temporarily out
So we'll
of
give it a
reach.
minute. So I'll pause
So
the
we are going to
video
be
and come
opening the
back here.
link in another browser because I'll be using this browser to create. I use this browser to create
So the domain is showing for
the
the
subdomain. So now I
domain,
pasted the
the
subdomain
subdomain
here.
I
It's showing
just
for
created
for
right
page
now.
not found.
This is it.
So I'm going to be
So
going
I'm going to be
straight
deploying
to my installation.
scripting. So what are we going to do now? We'll go and install the script. So I've created it here.
So
When you refresh this
I
place,
have gotten my I have gotten the
comes out
script.
here.
If you have not gotten the script, please don't forget you can get the
When
script
you refresh this
at the link
comes
below.
out.
You can get the link below. I'm keeping the link below.
So this is it here.
So this is my file.
This is my subdomain.
This is my
I'm going to
folder.
be doing the
This is
installation.
where I'm going to be installing the script. So you click on install.
So one good thing about this is
So
I
I've installed
developed it
it.
myself. All the JS code
If
I
you
wrote it
haven't
by
gotten
myself.
your own script, I will
So
advise you to
you
click on the
shouldn't have
link
any
and get it
problem
so that it will
connecting
be
it. And
easy
don't
for you
forget
to
the
follow
connection
up.
should be done from your wallet. So go back now and check on our installation.
So just like that,
Now,
my installation
from the
is over.
from
Like
the
this is
installation
the
guide, they said
this is the installation
how
guide.
to install, edit and
If
set wallet address
you don't want to
before
follow the
uploading
video, once you
on
get
server.
the script, you
Replace the
can
wallet
install it by
address
yourself
here
alone.
in this place.
So
Replace
by
the
that,
wallet
I am
address
done
also here.
installing. You don't need any
Works on any
database. You don't
server,
need
no
any back
database,
end.
that is all.
All you have to do is install the
So it's
script
a very
and
simple way
extract.
to connect your wallet to your Drina so that you'll be very, very conscious when someone wants to attack your wallet. Immediately you can just change and transfer your coins to the wallet you
When you
connected it to.
extract it, it comes like
So I
this.
have extracted it. So I will select all, then I will move to my home
So
directory.
I'll move them to the main directory.
I'm not going to be leaving it here.
Just like
This
that,
is it.
our
Now let's go
wallet
and
drainer
open the
website is ready.
wallet
When you
connect.
refresh this,
So boom,
your wallet
the
drainer
wallet
is
connect is
ready
ready.
to use. So you
Click
can
on
start your
here.
connecting, change the wallet address like I
Then
showed
it's done.
on the installation
Then your
page.
wallet connect is
Change the
here.
wallet address
Please make
and
sure you are using this
start
video
using
for
your wallet
only
connect.
education purposes,
So
purposes
if
that doesn't
this is your
affect
first
one's
time
life.
of
Thank you very
meeting my
much.
video,
Please,
please I
if
beg
this is
you,
your first time
click
of
on the
coming
subscription
to my
button,
YouTube
click on the
channel,
bell icon.
please
You can
make
check
sure
out
you
of my you can
subscribe.
check out my
This
videos,
is all the
and
videos I
thank you
have
very
made.
much for watching.
And I also
Please
made a
click on
new
the share
I'm
link,
going to be
click
dropping
on
a
the
new
comment
video
box,
on how
and
to
please don't
convert
forget to
your
subscribe. Thank you
any
very much.
website
See
to
you
an
next
app.
time in our next
So this
video.
is the video I made earlier. So please go watch it